Namaste. 10 things to know before you begin your doctoral studies or PhD in Germany. So, first, it is not essential or it is not required to speak German. Many universities in Germany now offer courses in English. When it comes to doing a PhD, thesis can be written either in German or in English. Second, first find a supervisor. First task when you are considering to do a PhD in Germany is to find a supervisor in your field with whom you can do your PhD. Talk to as many people as you can in your area of research or area of interest. Third, consider whether you would prefer individual doctoral study or a grad school. One major decision to make when considering doing a PhD in Germany is whether you will study alone with the support of a supervisor or whether you join a structured grad school. Both options are common in Germany. Studying individually gives you flexibility to set your own milestones, but joining a grad school will give you structure and support. Fourth, you apply directly to a university or the department where you want to do your PhD. Once you have found a supervisor, a potential supervisor, you have to register or enroll your PhD in your university or department. Typically involves providing your previous degrees like bachelor's and master's, filling out application, getting letter of support from your supervisor. Fifth, get your academic credentials checked. When you apply for PhD, you will need to provide your previous degree and certificates and transcripts. These will need to be translated into the German grade system. Your university's international department office may be able to do this for you. Sixth, very important, find a way to support or finance your PhD. Once you have been accepted into PhD, it is now up to you to find funding for yourself. Don't forget to check out funding opportunities like DAAD. Seventh, non-EU citizens will need a visa and a residence permit. If you are outside of EU or Switzerland, which is not in EU, then you are likely to need a visa in order to do a PhD in Germany. So in order to get a visa, you will need to contact German embassy in your country. Fill out application before you come to Germany. Eighth, housing is relatively cheaper, but it's hard to get. Germany is relatively affordable in terms of housing, thanks to governmental rental control. However, in popular cities like Berlin, housing snapped very quickly. So you should be ready to move fast when you find a place to stay. Ninth, you have to register where you live. That means city registration or Anmeldung. Once you arrive in Germany and find a place to stay, then you have to do a city registration in your town hall or your city hall where you will in your respective city. 10th, meet other students and make new friends. Don't underestimate the importance of social support in getting you through your PhD. Do take some time to set up fun social life for yourself in addition to your work. Grad school makes it easier. Fellow students, there are also a lot of other ways to make new friends.